how to create a Facebook event from a post. In order to do that, scroll down and let's head over and grab a post right here. From in there, you can see these options right here. We have in here live event, but if you want, you can add in here an event that people can join into. However, in order to do that, you need to make sure that you're part of a group. So on that group, it needs to be private if you want people to actually see it. So for example, let's put right here. Let's click on this rate something. Scroll down and here you can see this create event option. Now just put in here the event name. Like for example, let's put in here golf. And then you can put in here the end time, start date, and also put in here if it's in person or virtual. Then from there, you can also put in here who can see it. And then click on this create event right here in order to create it. So that's how you create a Facebook event from post. Hope we helped.